Interesting, very interesting guys. Today I'm unboxing this video one best product. So don't miss this video. Why? Because before I'm telling, I will try to best professional way uploads and best content. So now I am upload this video. Content is very superb content and new content. And wait a second. You are a science or tech lovers, don't watch full video, just watch half video. You can always subscribe my channel and like this video because I am unboxing this video and one of the best product in India. And also guys, anyone gives this product and your kids or children, you becoming their favorite person. So guys, I'm not unboxing this robot video. Now I am unbox another robot video. So I am unbox this robot video and next time. So don't confuse. Get back to sit in the chair and watch my video. So guys, I'm very exciting to this unboxing video starting. So don't waste time. Let's start our video fastly. But I have a small request for all of us. Anyone watch my video and first time, please click to subscribe my channel and support with me. And like this video and share your friends. So don't waste time. Let's start the video. My name is Sidhu. Welcome back to our channel SS Tech Please. So guys, first open the box. Let's check it out the outside. Whoa, I got a smart dog guys. It's looking very attractive including the box, man. Wow, it looks like pretty cool guys. First I will explain for the details on this box. So company some details mentioned in the box, and the first one is power on and off button and play music and dancing, and also demo guys. Demo is very interesting, and intelligent patrol and ogling like eyes blinking movements and dog sounds like bow bow, and touching instructions like touch to activate sensor provided on this dog head, and teaching some stories, and also age provided 6 plus. And look at the downside, company mention a intelligent police dog, and turn into left side, company provide a brand name like Crash Zone. And one more turn into left side on this package. These peaks indicate left and right, up and down work this for the dog head, and also second peak is receiving signals any side. Wow, smart features. And turn into backside. Backside provided some warning precautions only. And finally open the box. Let's check out the dog performance. Wow guys, this gadget looking pretty cool. So guys, this product very interesting, like a futuristic product. Hey, look at me. If you like this product, comment me. So guys, first of all I will explain for this product all details. And this box contains as a one remote controller and one RC dog, and also a little 4 bullets combo. And I drop this package to open the box. Let's check it out the package. This package contains as a one manual paper book guys, so you can check any details for this book on this dog. And next one is USB cable, like to use this cable charging the dog. So guys, this dog also packed tight secured. So let's press the thread to open the dog legs after open the dog. And also remote has two hooks and backside. If you rotate the hooks, then remote also get into your hand. And these all are bullets guys for loving kids like gun shooting. And this remote has many more functions and keys guys, like I can explain, like move forward, backward, turn and left side into head, and dancing, playing music, teaching, programming, and many more functions has contains in this remote guys. Wow, awesome. And also we can up and down the sound to use this remote guys. And turning to the back side for this remote, battery slots is there and include two Nipo batteries guys, but this slot provided to design a small size batteries guys like TV remote batteries. And this remote contains a red light indicator guys. And now I can explain for all details for this dog guys. And this dog middle part designed for a ball bearing type guys, like move any side easily. And legs also designed for freely moved any side guys. And look at the shining stripes guys. This is have a wheel designing, and also front legs contains high powered brushless motors guys, but back legs not provided any motors. And this one is power on and off switch guys. And this dog neck designed very flexible guys, like any side rotate and also up and down. And backside contains as a missile launchers like gun type guys, and also this one is rotate any side like left and right, up and down. But this missile launcher not controlling to use the remote, you can always use your hand normally for the firing the bullets. Then switches is there guys, you can press the switches, open the missiles, fire the gunshots. And also downside battery slot is there guys, you can open the, and let's open the holder and check it outside. And company provide a 3.7 volts 400 mAh rechargeable battery guys. And you can charge the battery multi types guys, like can proceed to connect power bank on your PC like laptop and also charger. But use low power charger guys, because this battery is 400 mAh only, not use smartphone chargers. And battery charging time is 90 minutes guys. After complete the charging, you can use 45 minutes perfectly. And remote control distance has access 20 feet distance guys. And this dog programming dog guys, you can add other programs to use remote. And also target shooting functions is awesome. This dog is only controlled from remote controller and also have some hand sensor chips. And I am purchasing this dog 5000 rupees on Amazon. If you waiting for offers, you got the product for low price. And finally, build quality or smart features, programming features is looking very nice guys. You can't adjust the build quality because build quality are awesome. And I forget one thing guys, provide this chip and dog head top side. So now let's switch on the dog and check out the full performance for this dog.
Hi, my little master. I am a smart police dog. Come and play with me. Hi, my little master.
So guys, this dog is very looking interesting and very smart. So anyone can buy this dog. I am placed the link on description. So you can buy, and also you can't like this product, you can also return the product. So I am suggest for this dog for you. So guys, anyone can give this product on your kids or children, you become their favorite person. So I like this product. You like this? Just comment me. So guys, this dog contains a many more smart features. Guys, this dog contains as a programming hand control sensor on this hand. So I can sing for all of us. Let's check it out. are watching Polish dog unboxing video. So anyone, if you like my videos, please keep subscribe to support with me. And if you have any doubts for this video, just comment me on comment section. Or I can paste my FB page and Instagram links and description. So you can always message with me. I can reply for all. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.